the Nature Center at Beaver Bend State Park in Oklahoma. Hi, how are you? Good. Thank you. A little fox. Oh, well. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not touching that.
Why?
No. I'm good.
Is that it?
There's some more over here.
There's a cat.
Bobcat. Get them eyes, A dish. No. Turtles, not fish. Skipping right over that part.
No, not the yellow snakes?
No.
What is that?
Some river otter.
What is that?
Do you need any maps while you're here?
Oh, no, we're good. Thank you.
Those are ugly. North American beaver.
I've got some crafts to go today. If y'all are crafty girls and guys and do an age limit, feel free to grab one. There's some bookmarks and some rainbow mosaics, along with lots of stuff to keep you busy on your car ride home.
Okay, we're good. Thank you.
What's next?
Oh yeah, don't forget to look up in the ceiling. There's lots of stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, look right here.
What?
What is that?
Thanks for coming in. Have a good day.
It's poo.
Uh-huh.
That's creative. Is that his real poo?
Yes.
Wow.
You can tell when you're out there on the trail. If you see it, you can tell what kind of animal it is by that. That's pretty cool.
Gotta get it in. All right. Thank you, ma'am. You have a great day.
Y'all have a great day.
You too.